What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I think today is finally going to be the day I'm going to go ahead and get the windshield tinted on this Chrysler Pacifica. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I know you guys have seen previous videos where I did some work already on the Pacifica Minivan. Like I said, I bought this van to be able to drive, to be able to window tint, throw my stuff in there, pick up kids, do all that type of stuff, and have one vehicle. Now, you see the pickup truck over there. I used to drive that every day as my kind of my work type of vehicle, but you know, having the pickup bed and then having a regular cab trying to get kids in there from school and stuff like that, it wasn't working out the greatest. And then, you know, my Impala, I still have that, throwing stuff in the trunk and stuff, it wasn't the greatest. So I got the van to be able to have everything all inside, to be able to haul a bunch of stuff around, and it works out really, really well. Now, I know you saw the other video where I did the back of the van, 20% over the rear privacy glass. I got that done. I smoked the taillights out, did a little bit of vinyl wrap. So, you know, we're working on things slowly, but I've been debating what I wanted to do on the windshield. Did I want to do 40%? Did I want to do 50%? Of course it's gonna be ceramic, but I finally decided I'm just gonna do 50% ceramic, keep it light, block out some sunlight so I can still see at night, and then we're gonna go with that. So this video is getting the windshield installed on the Pacifica, so no more talking, let's just get it done. right guys, so that's the install, a 50% full windshield on this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. It's my own vehicle, so I'm not too much worried about it. I got a couple a little bit of fingers around the edges that I'll let dry out and I'll push them out over time. But like I said, I've been wanting to get it done. I kind of just been messing around. I like to have all the windshields done on all my vehicles, and being that I only got this a couple months ago, I've been doing a few things here and there. It's winter outside, so I'm not gonna do too many other things that I want to do. I got some stuff planned for next year, so we'll see how that goes. But having a full 50% windshield, even outside when it's winter, it just helps cut back on all that snow, all that glare. And also when the sun's coming in and it's cold outside but it's warm inside your car, the sun will heat up your interior even more. It heats up your clothing when the sun's blasting through the windshield. So I like to put ceramic on there and bounce some of that heat away so I can keep a controlled temperature inside of the cabin of the vehicle. So now I'll do a couple little walk around footage, man. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I will be back with more content when I do get time. Once again, thanks for everyone that subscribed, and until next time, stay faded. Peace.